Happy day. Welcome to San Academy Palikarnai. Topic L3 Hindi poem हम भी होते काश कबूतर ग्रेड 7 हम भी होते काश कबूतर कविता का कवि का नाम सूर्यभानु गुप्त जी जन्म 22 सितंबर 1940 जन्मस्थान नथुखेड़ा बिंदगी जिला फतेहपुर उत्तर प्रदेश भारत हम भी होते काश कबूतर इसका अर्थ है what will happen if we become pigeon. See, children will have lot of imaginations which will be possible or which will not be possible, even though they will have lot of dreams. Through this poem, children are expressing their dream. What will happen if they become a pigeon? Kabutar iska arth hai pigeon. This poem will reveal the childish heart, the heart of a child. हम भी होते काश कबूतर if we are pigeons what will happen मजे उड़ाते दिन भर उड़कर we will enjoy all throughout the day we will enjoy we will be excited we will fly we will enjoy throughout the day दिन भर उड़कर means throughout the day we will fly बच्चे हमें चुगाते दाने children will feed us grains गाते मीठे मीठे गाने they will sing sweet nice songs for us खूब गुटरगू करते दिन दिन भर हम भी होते काश कबूतर गुटरगू इसका अर्थ है जो कबूतर का आवाज यू माइट हैव heard the voice of a pigeon it will give some sound some different sound so if children are telling that if they are pigeons they will give that sound they will sing nicely they will fly and they will enjoy throughout the day okay children will feed them grains chugate means feeding dane means grains so you can see in this picture child is feeding the pigeons so if they are pigeon children will feed them grains हाथ किसी के कभी न आते यों फुर से फौरन उड़ जाते ना होता पापा जी का डर हम भी होते काश कबूतर हाथ किसी के कभी न आते इसका अर्थ है नो बडी कैन कैच अस ओके नो बडी कैन कैच अस यों फुर से फौरन उड़ जाते even if anybody catches fauran means immediately we will fly immediately children are telling that even if anybody catches the pigeon, they will fly immediately. Na hota papa ji ka dar. We are not supposed to get afraid about the father. Okay, nowadays who is afraid of fathers? Nobody. Okay, so but in this poem, the boy is telling, Na hota papa ji ka dar. I won't be afraid of father if I am a pigeon. हम भी होते काश कबूतर what will happen if I become a pigeon so हाथ किसी के कभी ना आते nobody can catch me यों फुर से फौरन उड़ जाते even if somebody catches we will immediately fly away ना होता पापा जी का डर no need to fear of no need to fear by father हम भी होते काश कबूतर what will happen if we are pigeons साथ हवा के बातें करते बस्ती के दिन रातें करते ना होता स्कूल का चक्कर हम भी होते काश कबूतर हवा से बातें करना this is a muhavare in Hindi okay it's an idiom okay there is a special meaning behind it so हवा से बातें करना meaning is running very fastly or flying very fastly moving very fastly so सात हवा के बातें करते if they are pigeons they will fly in the air very fastly बस्ती के दिन रातें करते they will enjoy throughout the day and night they will fly and they will enjoy. They have no any duties to do, so they will enjoy. ना होता स्कूल का चक्कर, this line is very important. ना होता स्कूल का चक्कर, you need not go to school. Nowadays nobody is going to school, right? This is our situation. Okay, ना होता स्कूल का चक्कर. Okay, so if they are pigeons, they need not go to school. हम भी होते काश कबूतर. What will happen if we are pigeons? बिन पैसे हम खूब घूमते. Without money we can roam anywhere. बिन पैसे means without money. If we want to travel one place to another place, we have to buy bus ticket, train ticket. But these pigeons doesn't need anything. So बिन पैसे, without money they will roam everywhere. यों उड़ते आकाश चूमते. आकाश का अर्थ है sky. चूमना का अर्थ है touching. So we will fly high and touch the sky. पेड़ों पर होते अपने घर. Our house, our nest is there on the trees. You can see in the picture. Okay, a pigeon's nest is on the tree. हम भी होते काश कबूतर. What will happen? These will happen if we are pigeons. So, children, I understand that you understood this poem really very well. Thank you.